Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term WTB. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, WTB is want to buy. People use it when they want to express interest in purchasing something, especially in online marketplaces or gaming. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. WTB first showed up in the 1990s in early online trading communities and gaming forums. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among gamers and online buyers. Now let's check out how to use WTB in a sentence. Correct example 1. I posted WTB rare sword in the game chat to find someone selling it. Correct example 2. Anyone here WTB my old laptop? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said WTB at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using WTB right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. WTB means want to buy. It started in the 1990s gaming and online trading scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with WTB in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.